Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to prevent others from changing the desktop theme in Windows 10. If you've ever had your carefully customized theme altered by someone else, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. This will open the Run command dialog box. Step 2. In the Run command dialog box, type gpedit.msc and press OK. This will open the local group policy editor. Step 3. Navigate to User Configuration, then Administrative Templates, followed by Control Panel, and finally, Personalization. Step 4. Double-click on the Prevent Changing Theme option. Step 5. In the Settings window that appears, select the Enabled option. Then, press Apply, followed by OK. Finally, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Now, let's confirm whether these settings have been successfully applied. Step 1. Press the Windows key and the I key simultaneously to open the system settings. Step 2. Click on the Personalization option, and then select Themes from the left-hand side pane. Step 3. If the options that appear on the next screen are grayed out, it means that the settings have been applied, and no one can modify your desktop theme. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to prevent others from changing the desktop theme in Windows 10. Now, you can keep your personalized theme intact without any unwanted modifications. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tech tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.